Well, hello, my berries. It's me, Darkberry32.
Hey, Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go?
Well, good morning, everyone. Happy Vlogmas Day 20. Yes, we're on Vlogmas Day 20, and guess what we're getting ready to do? We're getting ready to go and be Santa, Mr. and Mrs. Santa. We have all of our gifts here, ready to go into the car. We have our cookies sitting over here, ready to go. We won't be visiting Earl's parents today because we're still waiting on some things. So, yeah, so we're gonna just go and visit my brother Carlton at work because he's nearby, and then my brother Sean at his home. We weren't able to do it where all the families were together at home on Sunday, so my brother's working today, so we're going to take him his stuff for his family, and we're going to take things to Sean. I think Angie, his wife, is working today as well, and then we're going to miss my brother Bud, but I'm going to deliver this stuff to my sister-in-law because my brother is working today. Wow. I think I just take advantage of the fact that I don't think I've ever had to work a weekend other than like when I was in the military and we had to pull 12-hour shifts. And before that was when I worked at a grocery store. I've always had weekends off, I believe. Yeah, unless it was something else, like a certain project that was due at work. So anyway, they're all working, those three people are working today, so I won't be able to see, everybody as a group, which was what we were hoping to do. Since we're not going to be able to be together for Christmas. But anyway, we're going to make the best of it. Maybe we'll do some kind of Zoom call or something for Christmas Eve night, because I think they're all going to be together, I believe. I'll find out when we deliver stuff. So yeah, guys, it's time to deliver presents on Vlogmas Day 20. Alright, y'all want to see the breakfast of champions? A banana and a tea cake cookie. I'm hungry. I don't know if Earl's going to want to stop and get something to eat later on, but I don't know. I plan on making patty melts for dinner. I love bananas. So I plan on making patty melts for dinner, but I don't know. And then it's football. Today's football, so I know he's probably like, oh my God, he's missing his football to deliver presents, but we're going to try to get this done and come on back home. I don't know why, but the combination of banana and those tea cakes go so good together. And water. So anyway, we're going to get ready to get things going. Okay. That's Sean, baby. Oh, Lord. Way, baby. Let's see what's going on. Oh, Lord. 7-0. Look at it in week. Anyway, look at it in week. This is a Texans fan right here. Look at it in week. Colts fan. Ain't no mistake, man. Ain't no mistake, man. What's this? That's me too? Yeah, that's for you and Angie. No, that's for you. That's me. Yeah. That's okay. You know, Jordan gifts right here. Okay. Angie had Jordan gifts. Oh, okay. Jordan had, Angie had Jordan gifts. Huh? Feeling like liquor. Yeah, no, right? Liquor, man. Liquor, man. It's good to see you, man. Why you trying to get your grandson drunk, man? Man, my grandson. His nephew. My nephew. Why you get your nephew drunk, man? I ain't gonna get no drunk. He gonna get drunk over there when he see that. He's gonna be happy. He's gonna be happy. Yeah. I love it. I love it. So we're playing Mr. and Mrs. Claus today. Yeah, you nice and clean up there, dog. You look good though. See that long, that weight I lost? Look at them legs, skinny legs. I'm doing what I'm doing, man. Yeah, wait, hold on. What's this? It's my PlayStation. No, what's this? You got a wrap. Hold on, man.
What's this?
He represent.
Man, I represent my team, man.
Yeah, you always stuff over here. I knew he was a Dallas fan.
Man, please.
He got to start on it. He's a Dallas fan.
But yeah, my wife right there. I see this my wife.
Yeah, still
He's a
looks.
Dallas fan. Yeah.
Oh boy. That's my brother Claus.
What's up, family?
Hey.
What's going on, y'all?
Yeah, we're good.
I parked on the other side.
Oh, okay. We just pulled in right here and just pulled in, so.
Santa Claus!
We're Santa Claus.
I gotta get y'all my house so too as well. We got it at the house.
Oh, I thought you were gonna. I was like, this has been an opportunity to do it.
Yeah, we got it.
Because Mom and them came over last night and we gave them their stuff last night.
Who you was for?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, what was that place years ago, but in Missouri, they got a place called
Roadway?
Roadway.
Roadway is
because
down the street.
Because Roadway was where I did night loading when I was in high school. But
In Missouri?
In Missouri. But they were doing it too. But the only part Roadway, they were union.
That's what we
No, they were not union.
I'm standing in the sun.
They're here now, but they wasn't back in the early 90s.
I don't like standing in the shade.
Early 80s. But it was almost like UPS almost in a way.
Yeah.
They had new people started loading trucks.
So this one, it has the names on it, but this is from me to Jasmine because I pulled her name.
Okay.
These are cookies that I baked for all of y'all.
Oh, cool.
And then this is from me and Earl to you and Ivis. And then Kayla had Ivis's name, and so that's her gift.
And we
got your gift too as well.
Okay.
Oh, okay. And we want you to eat the cookies, but give back the 10.
No, we don't.
I'm playing.
Dang.
That's
Look, you can...
we got your name, and I think I got Yaki name.
Oh, okay.
I totally forgot because we were drinking for Thanksgiving. So I was telling Yavis yesterday, I said, who you got? I said, I think I got Yaki's. If I'm not mistaken.
So is everybody getting together for Christmas Eve?
Christmas, appreciate for the gifts.
All right, bye.
Yeah.
Hey, and next time you on a property, man.
Yeah, we've been getting hugs.
Okay.
Merry Christmas.
I was crying. I was like, I ain't seen
I know. Shondell didn't even care. Shondell was like, man, I'm hugging y'all.
You know what? We've been all the way to Mexico. We've done our quarantine and everything.
Yes.
Look, we've done our quarantine and everything.
Oh,
Oh,
I know.
I'm gonna cry again.
Don't cry. I know. I know. I know.
It hadn't been the same.
I know.
Well, thank God for the cruise we had.
Yeah, right? We got that cruise in, baby.
Woo! And came home and everybody was
the
safe.
cookies.
And everything was good.
How you doing, girl?
Hey, brother, how you doing? I'm doing good. I'm lonely. I miss y'all.
I know. We miss everybody.
I know. There's nothing like being with y'all and I'm so accustomed
Yeah, because y'all know this time of year we be, baby.
to being with y'all.
Yes.
No, I understand. And believe me, it's one for COVID, we wouldn't be this way, you know. But
I miss y'all.
Yeah,
I'm just happy that none of our family.
All right, guys, we are done with being Mr. and Mrs. Claus today. Okay, so I was gonna cook. We don't think that's a good idea today. I'm not gonna cook. So we're just gonna go grab some fast food, eat, relax the rest of the day.
Pretty much.
Yeah, so there's not much else to do, which is how I like it. It was kind of nice to see family. As you can see, some of us got a little emotional because it has been a while that, I mean, we always getting together, and COVID just put a halt to it, especially on our side. And so,
I think I can I mean, we seen them beforehand.
yeah, they came over for my birthday
But after that,
in August. Yeah, and then we stopped at Carlton's a few weeks ago. Just once, right? Because he didn't come over for my birthday. Yeah, and then we've seen Shondell and Angie quite a few times because they live closer. They don't live too far from us. So, yeah, and we didn't get to stop at my mom's because my mom stopped by last night. So I gave her her stuff last night. So yeah, you guys will probably get to see her again, maybe, because she was saying that she has to bring us our gifts and stuff. So yeah, but it was nice to see everybody and kind of chit chat and talk for a little bit. But now we're gonna go. I'm getting Checkers. Earl wants Whataburger. Kayla wants Checkers, so I'm gonna get a burger and some wings, I guess, or maybe I'll just get wings. I'm not even sure because I'm hungry. I want to eat. All I had was that banana and that cookie this morning. I don't think Earl's had. Have you had anything? Oh, you ate a little bit this morning. Your sandwich. Yeah, he had a leftover sandwich that he had this morning, so that was it. But yeah, that is it. We'll talk to you guys later. All right, so I'm getting ready to close out for the day. We've done all of our deliveries. Now it's time to munch on dinner. And yeah, so thanks for coming along while we delivered all of our gifts and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed bringing it to you. Again, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and all that good stuff below. And you know what to do, guys.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, Merry Christmas, and thank you again for all your support. Talk to you guys later.